Subtracting from zeros is often difficult in the trading method because you have to sometimes cross out a whole row of zeros and make them into nines, and this defeats the concept of working one column at a time. Using the method of borrowing and paying back is very simple, and it reinforces the idea of working one column at a time. If we take the first example, 10 subtract 4 is 6. We now move to the second example where we have 100. We have 3 digits. Subtract 24. Again, we go to the first column. The bigger number is on the bottom, so we borrow. We put the 1 beside the 0 and the 1 beside the 2 to pay it back. 10 subtract 4 is 6. We now cannot take in the tens column, we cannot take 3 from 0, so we put the 1 beside the 0 and the 1 underneath the 1, and we have 10 subtract 3 is 7, and when we take the 1 from 1 is 0, and since it's in the first position we don't put anything. We now go to the last example. 800 minus 236. Again, the big number is on the bottom between the 3 and the 6, so we have to borrow. We put the 1 beside the 0 and the 1 beside the 3. 10 take away 6 is 4. We now can't take the 4 on the tens column from the 0, so we put the 1 beside the 0 above it and the 1 beside the 2. 10 subtract 4 is 6, and when we go over to the hundreds column we've got 8 minus 3 is 5. 800 minus 236 gives us 564. This method, using the method that the big bottom borrow and just working one column at a time, is the simplest way to do subtraction, particularly when there are zeros involved.